Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and check out all my Mavic Air 2 videos, but this is just how to fold and unfold the Mavic Air 2. So it's actually very simple, but you've got to pay attention. So when you're unfolding it, you're going to look at this arm that says Mavic Air 2 on it, or it says ADSB. You're going to look at that arm and you're going to pop those out. And then after you pop those out, you're going to pop the other two out of the back. So that's how to unfold the Mavic Air 2. Now to fold it, it's the opposite. So you do the rear, you do the rear, you do the front, you do the front. So it's that simple. That's how to fold and unfold the Mavic Air 2. And just to demonstrate one more time, front, front, rear, rear, and then rear, rear, front, front. So it's really simple, super portable, super small, super lightweight, but extremely capable with up to 4K 60 frames per second video. Small package, great performer, awesome. Check out my videos, check out all my Mavic Air 2 videos, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll try my best to address your questions within upcoming videos. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/IrixGuy, and ring that bell icon when you do. And if you're shopping for Mavic Air 2 or any other drones, expand this video's description and then click the link there. Otherwise, just head on over to epicdroneshow.com or irixguy.com/Mavic Air 2. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.